Hi guys, welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Mrinalini. Today I'll be showing you how to create this very traditional makeup look which will go very well with Maharashtrian 9 yards, which is also called as Nawari in Marathi. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you guys are ready, let's get started. First, I am going to start with moisturizing my face. Here, I am using Pond's Light Moisturizer with vitamin E and glycerin, which will keep my skin hydrated throughout the day. Now, I am applying Lotus Sunscreen. It is UV sunscreen with matte gel SPF 50. When I use this Lotus matte gel, I skip the primer as it mattifies the skin and creates a smooth base for applying foundation. For the foundation, here I am using Maybelline Dream Matte Mousse in the shade Nude Light 4. Again, I am mixing a little bit of moisturizer with it. Mousse has thick consistency, so I mixed the moisturizer with the mousse foundation and apply evenly all over my face in the dotting motion. Now I am going to spray a facial mist all over my face. Here I am using NYX Professional Makeup Brush to blend in my foundation. You can also use sponge or you can use finger to blend in the foundation as well. After blending in the foundation, I was not happy with the coverage of the foundation. Some fine lines and dark spot were. So I apply one more layer of foundation mixed with the moisturizer. This time I am using a damp sponge to blend in my foundation. Now I am happy with my foundation coverage. For my under eyes, I am using LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. I am applying a little bit concealer under my eyes and near my mouth. Now I am using the same beauty blender and blending in all the concealer. For setting my base, I am using L18 Last Glowing Compact. First, I'll apply this on my T-zone. I just love this compact. It is very reasonable and give me that instant glow on my face. Now I am going to define my eyebrows using Rimmel London Brow Pomade. Using an angular brush, first I am going to create a outline for my eyebrows. Now I am going to fill in the sparse areas. Using a spoolie brush, now I am going to comb the eyebrows. Now I am taking Makeup Revolution Velvet Rose palette. Now using this light brown shade, I am going to fill in my crease line. Now taking this dark brown shade from the palette and going to place it on the corner of my eyes. To get the clean and sharp edge, I use this tube and place it like this to get a clean and sharp edge. Now I am going to blend in the eyeshadows properly. Now I am going to take this shimmery golden shade from the palette. Using my fingers, I'll pick up some color and put it in the center of my eyes. Now with the help of a brush, I am going to spread in the glitter over my eyelid. We will do the same on other eye. To fill in my waterline, now I am using Sugar Black Gel Kajal. What I love about this product is that once we apply it on the waterline and let it set for 2 seconds, it will just get set and it will not smudge. For the eyeliner, I am using Olivia waterproof eyeliner. Here I am drawing a cat eye. To get a perfect cat eye, first I am going to draw a straight line on the end corner of my eyes, and then starting from the inner corner I'll draw a simple eyeliner and then I'll attach it to the wing. Now I am going to fill in the sparse area. For the mascara, I am using Essence I Love Extreme Mascara. I'll remove all the excess product. For the blush, I am taking my favorite Makeup Revolution Rocks blush palette. For the lipstick, here I have used NYX Powder Puff in the shade Prank Call. For the highlighter, I am taking Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter. I am applying it on my cheekbones, a little bit on my forehead and on my nose. For setting my makeup, I am using MAC Fix Plus Makeup Setting Spray. Now using a beauty blender, I am going to set in the spray on my skin. It will also help in blending any excess product on my skin. So here I am completed with my makeup. Now moving towards my hairstyle. I have done a center parting and taking this section of my hairs, combing it once and then twisting it in backward direction and securing it with a pin. Now taking another section of hairs and combing it properly, then twisting it in the backward direction and securing it with a bobby pin. Now I am taking the remaining front section hairs and again twisting it and securing it with a bobby pin. We'll follow the same process for other section of hairs. Now I am going to tie all the remaining hairs using a bow. I am taking this Juda making pin. I'll be putting all my hairs in it and will rotate in the downward direction and will now tie both the hooks. Now I am going to secure all the remaining hair using a Juda pin. Now I'll be taking this gajra and will apply it over my bun. So here I am done with my hairstyle. So here is my final look. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and goodbye.